Yeah, colon actions // checkout @v3. Now go to marketplace and search for Azure login code. Yeah, Azure login. Second one. Yeah, click on that, copy that code, paste it in good location. Yeah, paste it. One more space you have to give. Yeah, one more space give before and name. Space. One more space. At starting of dash, you give one more space. One space at starting. Yeah, put one space. Yeah, now it is correct. Now you shift tab. No, now it's okay. You have to give uses. You have to with. Now you have to give the client ID, tenant ID, and you have to give subscription ID, and rest you have to delete everything. Keep 3: client ID, credential ID, and tenant ID. Delete it. The line number 22. Yeah, delete everything from there. The first one, 22, also not required. Yeah. Now copy the client ID and all everything.
Sir, for client ID, where have to?
You go there in subscription one only, or enter ID. Search enter ID. Enter ID. Yeah, your tenant ID.
Sir, tenant ID I taken. I want a client ID, sir.
Client ID means this ID you have taken, but you have pasted in.
Yes, sir.
You have pasted in tenant ID.
Client.
Okay, tenant ID. Na. Then you create one app there, you will see there. Click on manage. Yeah, click on that app registration. Yeah, create one new registration. Click on new registration. Type any name. Yeah, create, register it.
Yes.
Okay, now that
Yes, sir.
Azure part you have done, now you have to log in into ACR. So right there in marketplace, log in into ACR. Yeah, ACR login, you write ACR login. Yeah, you got any Microsoft? Yeah, click on that. Yeah, click on that, Pavitra.
Yes, sir.
Uses. Oh, we don't have not that one. Okay, again you search marketplace. You write Azure is login. ACR login you write now. ACR login you writing. Container registry login. JFrog not needed. AKS. Yeah, search in Google. Google it. Log in into ACR. GitHub. Login into ACR GitHub. GitHub Actions. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. GitHub Action you write na. GitHub Action. Login to ACR GitHub Action. Yeah, click on that. Scroll down. Yeah, scroll up. That one. You copy that one name. Or we can run the bash command also. You do one thing. You write, copy the first line only, name one. Copy it. Yeah. First line only. First line. Yeah. And paste it there. Yeah, space. Yeah, one space is enough. Yeah. Now you give run there. Enter here line number. Line number and here. Yeah, and give run in the straight to n. Run colon space, and you have to give that straight line. You know that line where you will get above that shift one. One straight line is there now. Yeah, put enter. Now you have to write dash dash, and you have to write the command what we are doing to log in into ACR in CLI, that is AZ ACR login. Don't put dash dash, don't put dash dash. Yeah, AZ ACR, AZ space ACR login space dash dash name, and you have to give space, and you have to pass the variable there dollar, and that login one name one ACR name one, what the name you have given,
ACR name.
ACR underscore name, you have to give that one. Now put enter. Again you have to copy that command, everything from line number 27 to 30, copy it. Copy it and paste it here. Now yeah, one backspace. Now give that name 13. We are going to build Docker image. Give the name that build Docker image. Yeah. And for building Docker image, what command we are giving in command line? We have to give here in line number 32. Docker build -t and you have to give that image name you already passed in variable here. Yeah, you have to give that one image name $image name. Yeah, space $image name. Copy it now from there. Yeah, okay, it's okay. And you have to give the tag also there, and you also pass the tag in colon dollar, and you have to give that tag one image underscore tag space dot. You are giving a dot at last. You have to give space dot. Now you have to again put enter, and you have to paste that one. Now you have to give the tag. Okay, so you give the name that tag Docker image for ACR. Tag Docker image for ACR. Okay, now you have to run that command for changing the tag. Docker tag space dollar image name colon dollar image tag dollar image tag Now this you have to change it in to push into your ACR. So what you have to give space. Yeah, you have to give the ID. So what is the ID right now here for ACR? You have to pass the variable again for that login server you have to give here. When you are pushing in Docker hub, that time what you have to give? You have to give user ID, na, there at starting, and then you have to give the image name. So here in ACR for pushing you have to give the server name here. So pass that variable here $ACR login server 1. Are you getting or not, Pavitra, what I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then you have to give slash, and you have to paste that one, image one, the previous one, image name, image tag, full. Yeah, copy and paste it there. Now you have to push the Docker image. Put enter. Again paste it, that your command. Oh, you have to copy again. Copy again. Now you have to give the name Docker push Docker image to ACR. Yeah, Docker image to ACR. Right at first push Docker image. We are going to push now. You write push there. You write docker push, and you have to copy from there ACR login server image name image tag from there. Yeah, there only ACR login server. Yeah, from there you have to push that image to your ACR. Copy it and push it, paste it here. Okay, now you run that pipeline. Any doubt till here, Pavitra?
Sir, this step I am not understanding, sir.
Which one?
This tag, Docker tag.
What when we are doing tag, means giving tag for Docker hub, so what we have to do, we have to write Docker tag, then we have to write the image with tag, and then we have to give the user ID, then we have to give again the image one. You forgot that one command?
No, sir, I remembered.
Yeah, the same here. The Docker tag is that same command. Image name and image tag is the variable we have passed for that previous image what we are building, custom image. Okay, and we are giving this as a tag as ACR login server here. We are in Docker hub. When we are pushing for the Docker hub, what we have to give? We have to give the ID one, but here you don't give the ID, you have to give the login server one, what you are created your ACR there. You have to give the here as a tag one, then only your image will get pushed to your ACR. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now run that pipeline, commit it, it automatically run. Okay, now click on actions. Okay, it will take 5 minutes. Okay, and while it is what happened is go on top, fail to fetch Azure login one. Give this error to ChatGPT. Try to rectify it. Okay. Give it to ChatGPT and rectify it. Yeah, permission you have to give. Pavitra, that one. Permission ID
Yes.
token. You have to give that one. In line number 6, give some space. Yeah, now run the pipeline. Now it's okay. Attempting Azure CLI login by using ODX. Not federated. Again, give to ChatGPT. Yeah, so what you have to do, go there in Azure DevOps one, sorry, Azure one. Yeah, create their federation credential there. Add a certificate or secret. Add a certificate or secret. Yeah, we are creating their workload identity federation na? We have to create it for GitHub
Yes,
one.
sir.
Go to federated credential, the last one. Federated credential, yeah. OIDC, this is the OIDC for GitHub. Click on add credential. Yeah, you have to select it for GitHub. You are seeing the one option there na, GitHub one. Yeah, you give the organization name there. Give your organization name only. Go to your repository, Pavitra. Open that. You have to give github.pavitra dev 2003. This is your not yeah till 2003 is your ID, organization one. Copy it and paste over there. Can only contain alphanumeric. Why? Go to there, Pavitra. Organization. That is your organization only. Okay, paste your that one, code one. You write only that one, Pavitra dash dev 2003. Yeah, this is your organization. Okay, now you write here repository one. Chettle that was na repository. Yeah, chettle dash python, not full. Chettle dash python only. Yeah. Now click select there. You write branch main. Yeah, give some name here and add it. Now you go to there in GitHub one. Again run your pipeline. Do some changes. Workflow. Yeah, click on that and do some changes, give a space and all everything. Now click on actions. Click on that, build and push. Any error? Go to ChatGPT. What it tells that time? Okay, it takes 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, workload identity federation, it takes some minutes. Okay, go to ChatGPT. Let any suggestion it give. Yeah, only you have to give the federated identity credential. Okay, we have already done it. Scroll down, step by step fix. Scroll down. Yeah, again run your pipeline. Click on workflow there only. Okay, you understand now? This is the basic only. You have to do it. Okay. If it is again fail, you have to rectify it. You have given na that dot git also there. Might be there is issue. Go to there federated credential one in Azure one, Azure portal. Yeah, delete that one. Again create new one. Do fast. You know na everything. Pavitra dash dev 2003. remove that git1 dot git not required dot git. Yeah, branch main. Yeah, now run that pipeline. Now it will take. Change any readme file, readme.md file, you can change it, anything. Here only you can change anywhere in your main branch. Okay, click on that readme file, readme.md, go to edit, space v2, you write space v2. Yeah, commit it. Now your pipeline will run. Now click on actions. Okay, getting now point? Means anything,
Yes, sir.
any changes will done in main branch, your pipeline will run. Now click on that delay and push. If it not happen na, tomorrow we will see. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but it will take, I think. What is the error now? Now different error you are getting. Give it to ChatGPT again. Okay, means you have to give authorization to your subscription one. Okay, means the service principal one, what you have created na, client ID or user one, you have to give that part. Go to Azure portal. Yeah, click on subscription. Click on subscription. Yeah, IAM, add role. Oh, means you can't give. Let I'll give. Which name? Pavitra, app name was what?
Sir,
App name was what?
app name GitHub 2.
GitHub 2.
Mm.
Not
Sir, this federal credential name.
Pavitra. Application name I am asking. You have created on the your name only, Pavitra.
Mm.
Now I assign the role. Now again run your pipeline. Change something in readme.md file. Okay, now login succeeded. Now you got the next error. What is that error? Go there. uh, Copy that. Fail to calculate checksum. Okay, you try to solve it. Okay, tomorrow we'll see, Pavitra. Okay, we'll rectify the error. Now you will get, you have to rectify this kind of only. Okay, means line by line you have to check it. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, the, you have to delete that ID now.
Yeah, I'll delete right now.
Okay.
Okay.